This main market, if you don't want it open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it.
So Soludo is set to demolish thousands of shops in Onitsha main market just because the traders in the market have continued to obey sit at home. Just watch this video first.
Good evening, Onyobuna, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Tatabo, 1st of February, 2026. Biko, Governor ya mark go kwa ahia o. Ihe mark kwa bụ ọma ndị mma. Ihe mark bụ ọma ndị mma. From ebe a keta demolish. Good evening, sir. Sido. Good evening. Papa, good evening. Eforia. Ebe a niile keta demolish. Ebe nọ keta bụ na bright. Remove. Na shop Shidonina. Plaza Shidonina. Remove. Mime shop remove. Amaki ilu mark house everywhere remove. Remove. Adaya dofu. Okay. Aboko obere ihe o. Aboko obere ihe o. Ma n'ime shop mmadụ. Ma building na remove. Amara na building na sorry ya. Building na sọkasịrị ya arụ normal. Ọ dị mma. Everywhere remove wee gbago. So ọ ga-adịkwa egwu. Onye fụ shop ya ewekwe n'iwe. Eforia, Muche China Plaza, remove. Nekwa date enye on 14th of.
This main market, if you don't want it open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it. And I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not joking. Going forward.
On Monday, 2nd February 2026, the entire land of Biafra across 13 states will be on lockdown. No movement, no...
Drop your opinion concerning this issue under the comment section.